Hello everybody and welcome to on our YouTube channel. You know what we have been doing for the past half an hour? We have been waiting for the blacksmith to stop making such noises, but he won't quit. So we said, okay, let's make do with the noises and get on with our day and record this video of this beautiful OM-23 in Pernambuco. And before going any further, I would like to remind you, if you haven't done so already, to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It costs you nothing and it helps you a great deal in keeping these videos going. And so if you haven't done so, please already subscribe and help us, support us with keeping it up with our YouTube channel. Okay, having said that, thanks very much. What is this? It's as I mentioned, an OM-23 with Pernambuco back in size that is back in our workshop on consignment from the original owner. This is an instrument that we completed back in 2020, and it has been with the owner for a number of years. Now he is going through a major downsizing in his collection, so he sent this guitar back to us, asking to sell it for him. And we are very happy because it was a beautiful guitar back then when we shipped it to him, and it's his beautiful guitar now. Only it matured a bit, and it developed into a very a great sounding instrument. And what was a peculiar trait of this guitar back when we first had it in the shop, it was this kind of bounciness to the notes. The notes kind of seemed to jump off the fretboard very quickly, and it's still like that. And the Pernambuco wood is just adding to it. What Pernambuco does, it seems to flatten the response in making for a very balanced guitar, and across all frequencies, adding to the tone rather than subtracting from it, like maple seems to do. Pernambuco guitars are usually very balanced, but it's like, you know, they're very loud and very lively sounding. And Pernambuco seems to be like, you know, to work like a big loudness button engaged on all frequencies. And this is what Pernambuco does. And we built a few guitars in Pernambuco, including a D that we had in video about a month ago, and, you know, a couple of OMs, and they all had this in common. And what Pernambuco guitar seems to like to do is like to sing. And it's very fun guitar to play. higher registers, lower notes sing, which is quite uncommon. Not for this guitar. Anyway, asking price in the description. The guitar it came in the shop that was in excellent condition, had a few dings that we took care of. Now I would say I'd rate it at 9.5 out of 10 condition. It comes with the original case, and did I mention the flame mahogany neck? It's beautiful, beautiful wood. Sometimes this neck has been mistaken for flame maple. It is not. It's flame mahogany. Just feel free to inquire. Pricing in the description, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much.